Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you all are resting on your Sunday. Today, I would like to say that in the evening after 6 o'clock, in the afternoon first, in the afternoon at 12 o'clock, I had if you can do Surya Mudra for 10 minutes and chant any Surya mantra, it would be really beneficial for you for the upcoming week. Today, the color will be yellow, and after your bath, when you're having your bath, add a little bit of rose water to your bath, and then have your bath, and then before starting your day you can do the Surya Mudra, or at afternoon 12 o'clock also you can do the Surya Mudra with any Surya mantra chanting, which will make your energies powerful and make you to expand your aura, so that you can manifest or you can attract what you are actually wanting to for quite some time. So let's see what is in the cards today. Okay, let's work with the cards. Okay, that's a beautiful magician card coming. So day is going to be magical. Day is going to be really good. You're going to enjoy your day, but at the same time you're going to see what has to be done for the upcoming week, because I see the person with its wand, with a cup, and with all the symbols around. So you are actually enjoying your Sunday, but at the same time you are going to plan as to what has to be done so that things work in your favor. And at the same time, I feel some beautiful magical time with family members will be spent today, which will make you happy, which will bring in enjoyment, because the next card is also the same, almost like that. You will enjoy your day. Can you see someone playing the piano here and enjoying? They're seeing the notes. So beautiful, and a lovely family time ahead today. And maybe I should just not prolong my reading today, and just leave you with that happiness that you're going to enjoy your day today, and you're going to have a lovely family time today, and you're going to be all energized and prepared for the upcoming week. Have a beautiful and a blessed Sunday.